Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Jacqueline and this is lowcarblish. If you're new to the channel, this is the channel that we take our favorite high carb foods and we make low carb versions of them because we're trying to control type 2 diabetes and lower our blood sugars. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Tonight we're going to do something really easy but really pretty and really delicious. I'm making a rainbow salad. I've got a Vinaigrette pot roast in my crock pot right now that's almost ready, and yes, I'm going to be doing a video on that because it is so good, but it has no veggies in it. It's just the meat and seasonings. So I'm going to make this really nice pretty rainbow salad to go with it tonight, and that's going to be my dinner. So this is going to be pretty fast because I've got everything prepped already, and I'm starting off with a cup of broccoli florets, and this is broccoli that I blanched. I blanch my broccoli whenever I put it in a salad, and I do that because it gets rid of some of that bitter taste that you have when you're eating raw broccoli sometimes, and I also just love the color green that I get out of it when I use it. So that's going in. I've got a piece of cucumber here that was about 2 inches long that I'm diced up, and this whole salad's de-lettuced and diced up just because that's what I'm in the mood for. And then I've got 1 slice of a tomato that I also diced up really well. And then I've got 1/8 of a cup, or not 1/8 of a cup, 1/8 of a pepper yellow and 1/8 of a pepper red. So it's a quarter bell pepper total. I just like all the colors and everything in there, so that's what I'm using on that. And then I've got 4 small radishes that I've also diced up, and we're going to toss that in there. And then I have 6 blueberries in here. I like the color on the salad, and I also like that little sweet pop that happens. And so I'm going to mix all of this up in my bowl, because you know we eat with our eyes too, and I love color. I just love color. So look how pretty that is, you guys. And so I'm going to set this off to the side here, and then we're going to get the stuff ready, and I'm going to make the vinaigrette that's going to go over it, and it is really good. It's lemon lime, and it's got some spices in it, and we're going to use simple syrup to add a little sweetness to it, and you're not going to believe how good it is on top of this salad. So let me get all that stuff set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. This dressing is going to go together really quickly, and it is really tasty. I think you guys are really going to like it. I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements and everything down in the description, so you don't have to worry about that, but I'll just tell you what we're putting in as we go along. I'm putting in a little bit of avocado oil, about 3 tablespoons, and then I've got 4 tablespoons here. 2 of them are lemon juice and 2 of them are lime juice, and so we're going to put that in. And then I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of brown mustard. I like the brown mustard. It adds a little extra depth of flavor to it. But it's not so much that it overpowers everything. And then I've got salt and pepper here, and we're going to put that in. And I've got garlic powder, and I've got a little bit of onion powder. And then I've got a little bit of dried parsley. You can totally use fresh if you want to. I just don't have any on hand right now. And so we're going to mix this up. It smells so good, you guys. And I'm really looking forward to having this with my roast tonight. My mouth is kind of watering. And that's it. And then we just add in, I've got 1.5 tablespoons of the Wholesome Yum Keto Simple Syrup in here. And it's going to just add a nice sweet little touch to it without it being overly sweet. So let me get this all stirred up. It's so simple, but so tasty. And on nights like tonight, it's so good for me because I really enjoy eating salad with my meal at night. And so when I can come home and have a rainbow salad to go with my pot roast that's been in the crock pot all day, it's a nice easy meal and still low carb and still delicious. Alright, so that's it. We're all mixed up here. And I'm going to get the salad bowl over here. And I moved out of the way. And what did I do with my measuring spoon? Hold on. And I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of this over my salad. And it's, for me, it's like the perfect amount of dressing because I like to coat all my veggies, but I don't want them to be completely overpowered by the dressing. So all you do is put it over there and stir it up. And now I've got this delicious salad that's going with my roast beef. And I'll do a little taste test for y'all. Alright, so I'm going to give this just a little taste. Yes, I really like that. Alright, bite into this pretty salad here. Mmm. Hold on. Sorry about that, I had to get a drink. I took too big of a bite of broccoli. This tastes really good to me. I love vinaigrette. Any of the ingredients that are in it that are add-ons like the mustard or the garlic or the onion powder, if you don't like any of those, you can leave them out and still just use the base recipe for the vinaigrette, and it's still going to be really good. So I hope you guys like this. I'm going to get a close-up shot of it for you so you can see what it looks like close up. And don't forget, today is Motivation Monday, and the motivational quote for today is, "You are capable of amazing things." And you totally and completely are capable of amazing things, and that includes getting those numbers down, eating low carb, and living a happy lifestyle while you're doing this and not feeling deprived. Also, if you guys stick around to the end, Macy's Aunt Leanne gave her a new pig toy, and I have a little bit of a video clip that I'm going to tack onto the end of this video watching her play with that pig. It's been quite hysterical to me. So she's really enjoying that. So if you like the content that you're seeing here, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that like button. It really does help people to find my channel, and especially those that have just been diagnosed and they don't know where to go or what to do and they're looking for answers. So I totally and completely appreciate you guys doing that and helping the community. Also, if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would consider subscribing and hit that little notification bell, and you'll never miss another recipe or Motivational Monday or whatever kind of fun stuff we've got going on here. So until next time, be happy, be well, be eating low carb, and remember, you're amazing. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.
Covered laundry, only one will be sanitized.
Wait, what?
Untitled laundry sanitizer kills 99.9% of bacteria. Detergent alone can. Clean is good. Sanitize is better.
At Lovesac, we design furniture for life. Real life. Messy life. Life that changes and brings us together for movie night. A life where batteries run down and get charged up again.
You got your pig?
Lovesac Sactionals can be creative with style.